Hey, are you that kind of person who always think I have achieved everything in my life but still there is something missing and have no idea what? Are you that kind of person who have everything in your life but still have no idea where you are going and what do you really want in your life and always feeling like lost? If yes, then this book must be at your desk. License to Live by Priya Kumar. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'm actually going to talk about my all-time favorite book, License to Live by Priya Kumar. So without further ado, let's get started. Priya Kumar is one of the famous international motivational speaker and best-selling author of 10 inspirational books, and she has worked with 1500 multinational companies across 41 countries, and she is the only author who has received 20 international awards and 3 national awards for her books. And this was the first book which I have read of Priya Kumar, and actually it was recommended by someone. Although I have read many books, but I can't compare this book with any other book because this book is completely different. And the best part about this book, once you start reading this book, you will actually feel like you are reading your own story. And as you move forward, as you read the pages, you actually realize what this was the book which actually you had been waiting throughout your life to bring a change. In this book, author actually tries to reach you through her writing and urges you to let go of your past, be in the present and create more new possibilities for your future. Be responsible, be courageous, take the plunge and contribute more for your satisfying and fulfilling life. License to Live is an inspirational fiction where the protagonist is the author herself. In the story, Priya is a young motivational speaker and corporate guru. Having achieved riches and fame, she actually finds that her life now has become so boring and dull. So Priya enrolls for a seminar by Gert Rink, a very famous success coach that promises guarantees to change your life in 7 days after paying a hefty fee. She has no other detail about the seminar like venue, format and duration, etc. So it's like a practically blind ride, pretty much like life itself. She has no clue what lies ahead. In this seminar, she actually receives a lot of assignments, and in the process of completing those assignments, she actually starts understanding life and taking responsibility of every action of her life. Her battles with the fear of future and guilt of the past and being difficult in the present actually is the true depiction of our battles which we actually face each day. The most important character in this book is Gert Rink, the best success coach the world has ever seen. His coaching methods and detached attitude towards his students will actually makes you wonder about the depth of his lessons. He actually forces you to believe in yourself and fight until you have achieved everything whatever you wanted to at the beginning of the journey. His powerful techniques and thoughts are enough to inspire you for a lifetime. It's one of the best book of my life and must read for everyone. Because Priya Kumar is such a magician, her writing is awesome. Her book actually will take you to a journey of lifetime. I completed this book in almost 3 days, and whole 3 days I was feeling like I am on a journey. So this book will surely help you to change your past, change your present and change your future. So what are you waiting for? Just grab a copy of this book and start reading from now. So that's all for today. If you like my video, then don't forget to hit a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload a new video you can get a notification. See you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.